Hello everyone, this is Maria and welcome back to another DIY episode. In today's video, I am going to show you 4 simple home decor DIYs that you can make under 100 rupees. So keep watching to know what I made under that budget. The first one is this plant holder. I know you must have guessed by now what this is made of. Yes, I have made this with embroidery loop. So let me walk you through the process of how I made this. I started by gluing down the loops like this. Then I added this paper string for aesthetic purpose and it would also make it more sturdy. And that's it, you're done. Doesn't this look cool? I would suggest you guys go for artificial plants rather than the real ones, as watering them would be a problem unless you are planning to hang it outdoors. You can use low maintenance plants like succulents or air plants, and if you don't have that too, I'll show you how to make fake succulents at home using pistachios. So let's take a cardboard base, which will also be a reference for the size of the succulent. And then start gluing the shell on the cardboard like this. After that's done, let's paint this and your fake succulent is ready. I cannot believe how real this looks, and I have styled this mini succulent on my coffee table right here. This is an ice cream cup. I have painted this black and added a few stones in it, and that's it. That's my fake succulent. So moving on, the third DIY is this beautiful wall hanging. This is not a dream catcher, this is just a wall hanging, and I have made this using pom-pom laces. So let's see how you can make this. You will need a metal ring, pom-pom lace and some artificial flowers. I started by cutting 15 strings of each lace. This depends on how voluminous you want your hanging to be. Then I started looping the lace through the ring, following with gluing the artificial flowers. the final DIY, I'm going to make a banner using scrap fabric. Scrap fabric. Scrap fabric. A little backstory to this is that I already made a banner using jute, but it did not really turn out the way I wanted. Then luckily I found this shoe bag and it was exactly the same material I wanted for this DIY. So I started by trimming it apart and then gluing the sides so that the edges don't fray. And I gave it a banner-like look by holding the corners of one side and also added a tassel at the bottom. I got these foam alphabets from a stationery shop and painted them black. Pick a quote of your choice and stick the alphabets, making sure they are perfectly aligned. Finally, attach the dowel to the banner and add the twine to it. And you are all set. Now find the perfect spot to hang these beauties. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and do give it a thumbs up if you like it and do subscribe to our channel if you still haven't. Leave a comment below telling us which was your favorite DIY. Mine was this banner. If you're not following us on Instagram, do follow us there for more creative updates. We are going to come up with a giveaway very soon. So stay tuned, stay creative. See you next time. Bye bye.